My home is my favorite place in the world. It's not just a building made of bricks and cement. It's the place where I feel safe, happy, and comfortable. Everything inside has meaning to me. From the furniture to the memories made in every room. I live in a modest but lovely house with my family. It has 3 bedrooms, a living room, a kitchen, and 2 bathrooms. The walls are painted in soft, warm colors that make the whole space feel calm and welcoming. We also have a small balcony, where we sometimes sit in the evenings to enjoy the fresh air. The living room is the heart of our home. It's where we gather to talk, watch TV, or just spend time together. There's a comfortable sofa, a small table, and a shelf full of books and photo frames. Each photo tells a story: birthdays, vacations, and simple moments that turned into beautiful memories. My bedroom is my personal space. It's where I relax, think, and spend time with myself. I keep it tidy and cozy. There's a bed, a study table, and a small cupboard for my clothes. I've also decorated it with some plants and soft lights, which make it feel peaceful. The kitchen is my mother's favorite part of the house, and I can see why. It's always clean and filled with the smell of delicious food. We cook, laugh, and sometimes share stories there while preparing meals. Eating together as a family is something we value a lot. Outside, there's a small front yard with a few plants and flowers. My father loves gardening, so he takes care of the plants every morning. It adds beauty and life to our home. But what makes my home truly special is the love inside it. No matter how difficult a day might be, I know I'll feel better once I'm home. It's where we celebrate, comfort each other, and grow together as a family. My home may not be big or fancy, but it's filled with warmth and care. It's the place where I've spent my best days, learned important lessons, and found peace after hard times. I believe that a house becomes a home when the people in it care for one another, and that's exactly what we have. To me, home is not just where I live. It's where I belong.